Strength alone cannot determine the danger one animal can cause, because temperament is a significant factor too. Not all animals quickly turn into rage, but some do. Here the list of 5 most aggressive animals in the world. Number 5. Cape buffalo. This large African animal is also known as the Black Death. In Africa, it's one of the animals that are responsible for the most number of fatal attacks. This animal is unpredictable and aggressive. When disturbed or attacked, a Cape buffalo would attack anything, even a large predator like lions. A matured Cape buffalo stands 6 feet in height and weighs close to a ton. The most noticeable feature and primary weapon of Cape buffaloes are their large, thick horns. When a member of the herd or a calf being disturbed, they would charge with their massive horns. Attack from such a large animal like Cape buffalo could result in severe injuries or even death. Number 4. Black rhino. Don't be confused with the gentle look of black rhinos. If provoked, their reactions can be unpredictable. The massive body, large horns and of course the surprising speed of 35 miles per hour make rhinos a dangerous animal you don't want to mess with. The main reason behind the aggressiveness of black rhinos is their poor eyesight. So, they easily become aggressive and attack anything they found as a threat. Number 3. Hippopotamus. Hippos are the most dangerous animal in Africa. They are territorial and extremely aggressive. They have known to attack boats in the river. If disturbed, hippos even attack lions or crocodiles. Their sheer size and large teeth can be a serious threat. When being aggressive, they even try to chase humans. Despite the massive size of the body, hippos can run at a speed of 20 miles per hour. So, think twice before to go near hippos. Number 2. Wolverine. Weighing between 10 to 25 kilograms, wolverines only have a size of a medium-sized dog. But this amazing animal is fearless and aggressive. Surprisingly, they can even defend large animals like bears or wolves. It shows their level of aggression. Despite their small size, wolverines have a built body. Their jaws are very powerful, and teeth are large. This combination lets them take down even larger prey like moose. Number 1. Tasmanian Devil. This fierce creature is found only in the Australian island state of Tasmania. They got the name Devil from their nature of being aggressive so quickly. When threatened, they display a frightening appearance by showing their teeth along with loud screeching. Not just the scary pose, the Tasmanian Devil also has another weapon for defending. When threatened, they produce a foul smell to get rid of the danger. An unprovoked Tasmanian Devil won't attack human, but this fearless animal won't hesitate to take a bold move to defend himself.